are you? I'm here once again to teach you phonics. We're still in phase 3 and we are going to do 3 sounds again. So we have oi, and ow. So the first one is for burger. So we have words here. You are going to do is you are going to sound it out with me and blend it. Okay? So the first one is this. Okay, you do it with me. Okay, ready? Burger. Now it's your turn. Okay, once again, burger. So we go to the next word. Okay, do it with me. Bird. So it's your turn. Again, burn. So next word is this. Fur. It's your turn. So again, fur. Next one is this. Some of you have like this. Curl, like curly hair. Again, it's your turn. Once more. Curl. Next word is this one. Surf. It's your turn. Once more. Surf. And the last one is this. This is a little bit harder, but I know you can do it. Turnip. It's your turn. So the word is turnip. Good job, guys. So now we are going to do the ow sound. Ow for cow. So we're going to do words with ow sounds. Okay, ready?
Ow. Cow. Ow. Cow. Next one. Owl. 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 Other one. Brown bag. Brown. Next, how. Ow. How. Crown. Crown. Next, now. Ow. Now. Howl. Owl. Howl. Growl. Growl. Ow. Cow. Owl. Brown. How, growl. Ow.
Well done. So now we will do the oi sound. Oi for coin. So the first word is coin. Coin. Your turn. Coin. Next, we have oil. We use oil for cooking. So, oil. Oil. Your turn. So the word is oil. Next one. Oil. Boil. Your turn. So the word is boil. Next one. Oil. Soil. Your turn. So the word is soil. Fantastic. Next, the last one for the oi sound. Join. Your turn. So the word is join. Now your task is you're going to read words as many as you can with this oi, and ow sounds. So for every 2 words that you can read, you will get 1 smiley sticker. So let us see how many smiley sticker you can get. Okay, good luck!
How many of these ow, and oi words can you read before the time runs out?
How many smiley sticker did you get? Did you get 1, 6, 10, or more? When we come back, tell me how many smiley sticker did you get? And we can change it to house points. So for every 1 smiley sticker, it means you have 1 house points. Okay? Good luck, guys. So that's it for today. See you next time.